Gates open, they're off, and racing Tobacco, Silver Glides moving up by the rail. Then comes runner number 11, and that's Golden Fortune. As they race towards the 900 meters post, Silver Glides, Golden Fortune in second, moving up to take third, Magic Machine, running by the rail, Surprise Call alongside Hakuna Matata, then followed by Any Given Day. Next in line is Flyboy running on the outside. Is entry number 7 is Speed to Riches as they race at the last 600. Silver Glides, Magic Machine, Hakuna Matata now moving up on the outside as they race towards the final 450. Three runners are now fighting it out for the lead. Silver Glides running in between runners by the rail, Magic Machine. Hakuna Matata is on the outside, then followed by Golden Fortune. Any Given Day also closing in. And down the stretch they come. Still three runners are fighting it out for the lead. Hakuna Matata moves up. 75 meters of the race. It's all Hakuna Matata, Magic Machine. Then comes Silver Glides, number 5, Wheel of Fame, Tobacco, Any Given Day, Golden Fortune, American Ruler.